Everyone knows that there is stereotype that people from Russia very like drinking and alcohol. Partly it's true, and now I understand that's why people from Russia came up with different strange Russian verbs, phrases, words, and you won't find these kind of words, phrases and verbs in any dictionary. For example, everyone knows that there is this kind of English verb like drink. Drink we translate into Russian like пить, выпивать. Я выпиваю, ты выпиваешь, он выпивает, она выпивает, and so on. For example, yesterday I drank wine with my friend. Yes. Вчера я выпил немного вина со своим другом. This verb like drink, I mean выпивать in Russian, выпивать. We accustomed to see this verb in this kind of situations. Yes, very calm and civilized, very cultured, yes. But it's Russian, and people from Russia came up with a very strange and at the same time interesting Russian verb, and this verb sounds like this. Listen to me. Бухать. 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 Я бухаю. Ты бухаешь. Он бухает. Она бухает. Они бухают. Мы бухаем. What does this verb mean? I will show you right now. Oh my god, I don't believe that I explained to you this Russian verb бухать, because only native Russian speakers know about this verb. And first of all, you should know when and how we use this Russian verb like бухать, бухать. You need to know that this verb бухать we use only with our friends. Please remember it, only with our friends and who you know very well, who I know very well. For example, I use this verb with person and this person who I know very well. Understand? Therefore, please don't use this Russian verb бухать with, for example, with your boss, with your colleagues, even with your parents and with your business partner, for example. Just imagine you're a businessman and you are in the meeting with your business partner. After that, when we finish this meeting, you suggest your business partner go to the restaurant or coffee and to drink a little bit alcohol. Yes, just to celebrate our achievement. Please don't use this Russian verb like бухать for your business partner. Please use only more formal and more cultured Russian verb like пить, выпивать. Don't use this verb for your business partner and who you very respect in your life. Understand? If you have friends from Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, I mean native Russian speakers, you can use this kind of phrases, Russian phrases, with this Russian verb бухать. For example, пошли бухать. Russian phrase. Пошли бухать. Пошли бухать we can translate into English like let's go to drink an alcohol. Yes, let's go to drink an alcohol. You just suggest your friend, your Russian friend, to go to the restaurant, coffee, a little bit drink, or пошли бухнем. Пошли бухнем. Understand? Also, we can use this Russian verb with different question like ты будешь бухать? Ты будешь бухать? We translate into English like do you want to drink? Do you want to drink? Ты будешь бухать? Ты будешь бухать? Oh my god, how I can explain to you this Russian verb? I don't know. Also, we can use this Russian verb бухать like Russian noun. What I mean? For example, everyone knows that in a boxing there is a boxer. In a racing there is a racer. In business there is a businessman. With this Russian verb like бухать, we have a Russian noun, and this noun means like person. And this person sound like this: bukharik, bukharik, bukharik. And with this Russian verb, with this Russian noun bukharik, we associated this kind of people. So I'd like to tell you one more time, please use this Russian verb bukhat only with your friends and who you know very well. For example, you have friends from Russia, Belarus, Ukraine, I mean native Russian speakers. Please use this verb only with these people. Don't use this verb with a business partner, colleagues, boss, parents, children, of course. Only with those people who you know very well. By the way, if you want to know more information about this kind of verbs, phrases, Russian words, what you don't know, please you can watch this video. And if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, put like, and bye bye.